I'm so excited, and I just get hided. I'm so excited. I have been waiting to do this charm box unboxing. I just got it in the mail 2 days ago. Today, I finally had time to really sit and open it with you guys. It is the new moon in Pisces today, too. So I'm just feeling all the vibes. Also, for anyone who watched my last video, my nails are still on. No issues, no lifting, no popping off. Tuesday, well, 2 days from now, we'll make it 3 weeks. I'm really excited. Let's get into this unboxing. So this is ta-da, the spring March charm box. I'm really excited. Here are some of the looks that they included in the box. Don't forget to get your code. 20% off your next order using the code So Lovely. Just a treat that you get from watching these unboxings. I'm kind of excited. We're going to see. So here's the paper that talks about what is in it. You can pause the video, take a look at that. These are so helpful, especially when I don't know what I'm looking at. So I'm excited to get into this. I actually was like almost thinking about not getting these anymore because y'all see my nails. I honestly have been enjoying like the super simple nails. This is just like this color that I got from Apres with some Daily Charm Magic White. But let's get into this. Okay. Ooh. Do you see these butterflies? Because this is what my eyes went to first. How pretty. I mean, you got like half butterfly wings and you got the full butterfly wings. I'm excited. I'm excited for this. These look like maybe I could do something with them. Now, this is the type of stuff, honestly, look this side. This is the type of stuff that I'm not sure anymore. Like, I'm not super colorful. I like to be a little more simple, but this is cute and I'll probably wind up doing something with these. So these types of things, I feel like, I can't even say I use it the least in the box, but okay, these are pretty. Look at this little charm. Now, if you've watched a couple of my other videos, you know how I feel about big, gaudy charms. Sometimes they come off, sometimes they don't. And these are really pretty. They're flowers. I've gotten quite a few flowers out of the charm boxes. Like there was like some roses that looked kind of like these. I think in maybe like the last box or I don't even know now, y'all. They just kind of running together. But these are super pretty. I have not used these, but I would like to. I did a really pretty spring set before. I got to find out what this is. This is cute. I love foils. Like now when I started doing my own nails, even when I wasn't doing my own nails, I am a foil girl. I'm a foil and a chrome type of girl. So I don't even want this video to get long, y'all, but I kind of want to see like what it looks like not folded into each other. Let's just look. Let's just look at like one layer of this. So you see this? How cute. This will look pretty on some nails. Maybe like a nice nude background. You could do yellow, green, pink. You could do whatever. This is super cute. I'm going to have to put that up off camera. Whatever. I really need this little paper next to me because I don't know what some of these things are. So like this. What is this? Looks like a cuticle pusher or something. Oh, I don't want to take too long to figure it out. Flower and stripe magnetic pin. A must-have for cat eye lovers. Magnetic collection. That's pretty cool. So now I can do more stuff with magnetics. And I only have a magnetic color because of one of my charm boxes. So this is really nice. Let's get it out of this plastic because we're going to be getting rid of that. So this is cool. It's a magnetic little thing, so you can use this side or this side. That's what's up. Cute stickers. Okay, butterflies in the sky. Shout out to Queen Post. She's another YouTuber. I love watching her energetic updates and things like that. This is cute. This is cute. Can you see that? Do you see that? I don't even know what these are, but I love like sacred geometry and like little shapes and stuff. But this is cute. They look like little stars and just pretty things. You can like barely see it. See, look at that angle. Can you see that a little bit better? Like these pretty things. But the butterflies are nice. Holographic butterflies. These are like some little pastel looking butterflies. It's kind of cute. I don't really know if I'm going to use the stars, but we going to see. We gonna see. We got stuff. We got options, okay, to do nails. So that's that. I do love that low-key every time you get some sort of like twinkle, whatever. I like the rhinestones. We'll see how we use these hearts. It's a little, I don't even know what word to use, but it's just not like the like classy, regal, I don't know. I just be trying to be on some more like upscale looking, whatever. But these are cute. Thank you, Daily Charm, because I'm not even hating. I'm not even hating. Foils. And these are like, I don't even know, but we gonna see. Like, I just love foils. Like, this purple is catching my eye. I don't even normally wear colors like this, but we will see, like, what we can do with these, okay? And I like that it's already in a box, and I can probably just toss this right into that box, or I might throw it in with my other floral foils that I have. So that's that. Okay, look at how cute. Look at how cute these are. These are just clearly some more things that you can put on the nails. Little, they almost look like stars, but they're like little flowers. And there's like some little beads in there too. That's cute. I mean, I'm sure I can do something with it, but stuff like this, I feel like it's starting to like sit in my nail caddy, like it'll be here over the years, I guess. But things like this is like partially why I'm like, should I keep getting the boxes? Because the colors, the gel colors, which we're about to get into these, this type of stuff I feel like is worth it. These boxes are $49. After tax, it'd be like $52, $53. So getting a couple gel colors and some foils, some things that I really like out of the box, it's worth it. The extra stuff I feel like starts to, again, just become extra stuff. And I don't want it to become clutter or anything. These are just some of my honest thoughts of the box if you are considering getting any of these boxes. Okay, so let's continue. What is this? I can't even help it. I'm like, what is this? As I'm opening, maybe I can find it on this paper. A pastel ombre manicure kit. Too cute. First of all, I like the case. I like the pastel case. Let's open it up. This reminds me of my tweezer box for my, when I do lashes, I have a little case just like this. It closes just like this with a little button. This is cool. Like, I don't need this, but we'll use it. You know what I'm saying? Let's just get rid of that. But you know what? It's some little tools. I might be able to gift this to somebody. I don't know. But for now, how adorable. Okay, so this was valued at $9. So again, we looking at 2 full-size gels, which these are like $18. Okay, so 18 and 18, what's that, 36? Don't come for me. And then this at 9. You know what I'm saying? Like you're getting into like almost the value of the box in 3 items. Okay, so definitely worth it. Okay, so we saw the manicure kit. What do you like the best? Okay, the case or the tools? I like the case. I'm here for the case. So there's that. Let's just do the colors last. Let's get into these little things that are in here. I'll be looking for like a piece of candy and stuff, y'all. Sometimes they be throwing stuff like that in there. Okay, so these are, this is interesting. It's almost like a piece of paper. It's like paper flowers. It's really pretty though. I don't know. It's giving me depth. I really, really like these. I'm not sure how we're going to use them, but these are cute. I know I don't really feel like opening it up, so I'm trying to give you like a good look at it without opening it. You see that flower? It like looks like a hand painted or hand-colored flower. It's really pretty. Glitters. They always give you a couple glitters. I don't always use them. I like fine. I'm like a fine sand kind of girl. So I like fine glitters. Again, nothing that starts to look too gaudy or anything like that. But this is like a glitter. And it almost be looking like sequins. It's like sequins to me. It might even say sequins, but it's glitter. So this is a glitter that came, and look at these two glitters that came together. Again, stuff like this, I'm not using that often, okay? So I don't even know if I've used stuff like that. They actually put like a white glitter that was giving me like a fairy dust. It was like a nice fine fairy dust. I did use that, but some of these glitters I'm not using as much. It looks pretty, but when I do my sets, like I just haven't come across using glitters like these. It seems like it could be cute, but it's taking me to like maybe if I was 12 or just different. And again, I'm not hating on your style. If you like this, you're going to love these boxes. You're going to like the boxes anyway. But this is why I've like contemplated if I am going to continue the boxes after I get like each box in a year. Now you can always skip a box, but it's not like you can see what's in it and then skip the box. Like you don't know what's going to be in it. So that's like the tough thing. Here is a color, a shimmer jelly gel polish, Pinkie Pie. Now I loved the Cutie Pie color that came. I had did like my toes and like a cute color. Now y'all know, if y'all watch my other videos, sometimes I can't open these. God is with us. We opened it. So let's see what this color's looking. Okay. It's like super pink and glittery. Normally, this is not my thing. Normally, this is not my color. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. Like, maybe we'll use it. Maybe we won't. I know some girls, they have like nails ready to where they can paint a swatch for you. I don't have that ready. Okay. Do you see this ring that I got from Egypt? It is just gorgeous. I went to Egypt last October. It's March 2024 right now. I went to Egypt in actually September of 2023. And I got this ring when I was in, where was I at? Aswan. It's gorgeous, okay? This other ring I got from this wonderful vendor here in Las Vegas. She has like permanent jewelry. It's permanent in the sense that it does not tarnish, okay? Just beautiful. Love this. This was my mother's. I bought it for her, but now I have it now that she's passed away. This was my grandmother's, her emerald ring. My promise ring from my babe. She's not going to be here before the end of this video, y'all, if y'all miss her. And my Ankh ring. I just had to take a moment for my rings. Anyway, this is the color Pinkie Pie. Maybe I'll layer it on top of something with some sort of art or something like that, and I'll like it. Maybe I can put it underneath and use this foil. I'm not sure. That fell on the floor. It's okay. I'm not sure. So we'll see. Okay. And then, okay, Picatia. I don't even know how to say it. I was going to say picante, but that's not right. It's I don't even know how to say this. It's a soak off cat eye. So again, cat eye, we have our little tool here to create some cat eye. I do love a good purple. It looks kind of purpley. It looks kind of mauve-y. Okay. Y'all see my mom? Y'all see my mom on my watch? Okay, Lord. We're going to get this open. Okay, we did it. I don't know why they be closed so good. It'd be like so hard to open. Okay, and this is a shimmery purple, but I like this. It's kind of deep, you know. I like this purple. It's shimmery. I wish it was kind of just like a regular purple, but I like it, okay? I can't wait to try it out. Maybe we'll use these for some spring nails or something like that. So this is it. Okay, you guys? Well, I don't even want to start getting this crazy. So you see what's in the Charm box. $49. valued at like $120 or something like that. They give you a lot of small art pieces. Again, things that I don't necessarily use a lot of, but I do use some of them. It's nice to have the options to do these different things on your nails. I hope that this video was helpful. If you've ever considered getting a charm box by Daily Charm, I do think it's very worth the investment. So please consider it. I can't wait to do my next set of nails. That's probably going to be in the next few days. I hope that you guys are enjoying your weekend, your day, whenever this is, your night, whatever, because what is time, okay? It's a full moon in Pisces. Set some intentions if you'd like. Ramadan starts tomorrow. Shout out to everybody who's participating in that fast. Ramadan Mubarak, if I even said that right. But yeah, just sending everybody love. Thanks for checking out this video. Like and subscribe if you want. I ain't here to tell you what to do. I just do my nails at home. I'm an at-home nail tech. I am a licensed cosmetologist, but this is like my therapy. Love doing my nails. I enjoy them just being beautiful, doing them myself. These charm boxes have really helped me out with that. Y'all know that I put on my nails, instead of using extend gel or anything like that, I use the Daily Charm peel off base coat. So my next video will most likely be me removing my nails before I do my next set. Y'all be blessed. Take care of yourself. Love yourself. Love God. Love yourself. Okay, do what you got to do. Pay attention to your wants and needs. Okay, you are valuable. You are loved, you are important, and you have a purpose. So thank you for checking out this video. If you stayed until the end, write something nice. I don't even care. You know what I'm saying? Thanks for interacting. Thanks for doing whatever it is you feel called to do. You feel me? So until next time, peace and love, y'all.